Hello viewers, many users want to buy iPad 10th generation, but the question arises, should you buy iPad 10th generation in 2025? This iPad has many features and also it comes with A14 Bionic chipset which is very powerful. Plus you will get regular software updates on this iPad, so you will have a great experience using this tablet. As the processor is top-notch, you will get a very good experience in multitasking, multimedia consumption and also video editing. The display quality of iPad 10th generation is excellent. It comes with 10.9 inches non-laminated display, yet you will not feel that there is a gap between the touch panel and the upper glass. I thoroughly enjoy watching content on this iPad 10th generation. As this iPad is running on iPadOS 18.2, it has many customization features in lock screen and home screen. So you will have a very good feeling using this iPad. After each and every update, Apple pushes very good customization features, be it in the lock screen or in the settings or in the notification panel, as you can see here. So if you are someone who likes to customize your iPad, this iPad 10th generation will definitely please you. Another good thing is that it has pen support, but you will not get ipencil in the box. You have to buy ipencil separately, or you can buy any third-party ipencil. I have bought this Kingone ipencil and I am getting a very good experience on this iPad while writing anything on the screen or scrolling through apps. If you are interested to buy this Kingone ipencil, I will put the link in the description. You can buy by clicking on that link. The battery backup is also good of this ipencil. If you are confused between Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus and iPad 10th generation, I would definitely recommend you to buy iPad 10th generation for 3 reasons. The first reasons will be the processor, the second reason will be the portability and the screen quality, and the third reason will be iOS updates on regular basis. However, I would not say that Tab S9 AP Plus is a bad tablet. That is also a great tablet, but the processor on that tablet is not so good, so that might be a deal breaker for many users. Currently, my iPad 10th generation is running on iPadOS 18.2 and you will get more 3 to 4 major updates with this tablet. Also, the battery life of iPad 10th generation is excellent. You will get around 9 to 10 hours of screen on time on a single charge. So yeah, in terms of battery life, you don't have to worry about it. But before buying iPad 10th generation, you must know that the 64 GB of internal storage is not sufficient in 2025. You will feel shortage of storage. So if you want to buy iPad 10th generation, go for the 256 GB version if your budget permits. The only drawback of this iPad is the storage for the base version. So finally, in the conclusion, should you consider iPad 10th generation in 2025? The answer is yes. Definitely you can buy this iPad if you can manage the storage. There is nothing that can be a deal breaker for you to buy this tablet. Even I have 64 GB of internal storage and I use Type-C pen drive, SSD storage, and also I have bought Apple cloud service, so I don't have any problem using this iPad 10th generation 64 GB Wi-Fi version. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.